All right, this is day three of our Unit 3 Animals Adaptations.
Hi there. We're going to begin by watching a video about some unique animal survival traits. Press play. Tools for Survival on pages 6 to 9 in Animal Adaptations.
Awesome.
Short Read 2. Remember to annotate as you read.
Animals' Tools for Survival by Sue Cheen. Almost everything about an animal's body is a physical adaptation. The Milwaukee Zoo has an animal adaptations lab. On a recent tour there, students learned that webbed feet, sharp claws, whiskers, large beaks, and long tails are adaptations found in many animals. These adaptations help animals survive. The lab doesn't stop there. The free 8-week program, which runs every fall and spring, allows students to do hands-on studies of adaptations for eating, defense, and locomotion. Here's what a recent group discovered. Webbed feet. Ducks and polar bears are born with webbed feet. They have skin or webbing stretched between their toes. This webbing allows the feet to paddle the body through water with ease. It helps animals save energy, too.
Ducks, like polar bears, use their large webbed feet to move quickly through water.
Webbed feet help different animals in different ways. Polar bears use webbed feet to swim faster. Flying frogs use webbed feet to glide through the air.
Polar bears can swim a 100-kilometer, 62-mile, stretch thanks to webbing. Flying frogs can glide through the air up to 15 meters, 50 feet, with their webbed toes.
Sharp claws. A claw is a body part at the end of an animal's toe. Claws are different from nails. Claws have sharp points. Claws have many uses. Like webbed feet, they help animals move faster. Unlike webbed feet, they also help animals climb and hang in trees.
Adding traction, a cheetah's sharp claws help make it the fastest land animal in the world. The three-toed sloth is the slowest land animal. Its sharp claws help it hang from tree branches for long periods.
Whiskers. Whiskers are long, thick hairs. They are very sensitive because they are attached to nerves in the skin. The whiskers detect movement in air or water. This triggers the nerves to send alert signals to the brain. Whiskers can help animals move around or navigate. They also help animals detect danger or locate prey.
Sea lions use whiskers to detect faraway sounds and motion underwater. The fox has facial and wrist whiskers to help it navigate and hunt at night.
Large beaks. A beak is the hard outer part of a bird's mouth. Some birds, such as herons and pelicans, use their large beaks to catch fish. Others, such as macaws and toucans, use them to reach hard-to-get food.
Macaws use their beaks to crack open nuts and fruit. Toucans can reach and toss fruit with their long beaks.
Long tails. A long tail helps some animals keep their bodies balanced. It can also help them steer. Other animals use their long tails like an extra hand to grab onto things.
Squirrels use their long tails to stay balanced. Some monkeys, unlike squirrels, use their tails to swing in trees.
On land, in water, or high up in trees, each animal's adapted body part helps it survive.
Animal body parts. Body part, animal, function. Webbed feet. Duck, polar bear, flying frog. Swimming, swimming, gliding. Claws. Cheetah, three-toed sloth. Running, hunting, climbing, hanging. Whiskers. Sea lion, Patagonian fox. Sensing danger in water or finding prey. Hunting at night. Large beak. Heron, pelican, macaw, toucan. Spearing fish. Scooping fish. Cracking open nuts and fruit. Reaching and tossing fruit. Long tail. Monkey, squirrel. Climbing and swinging on trees. Keeping balance and leaping.
Okay, now that we're done reading pages 6, 7, 8, and 9, we're going to begin on page 4 of our work packet, okay? We're going to do key details and the main idea of each section. So if you look in your booklet on page 9, I believe, that chart that we just got done reading, that's what we're going to need to help us out. All right, so it says after reading animals, tools for survival, annotate the text, which we did, to find key details, the main idea. Okay, then complete the chart. So web feet. What can you tell me about that? Well, what's the web feet of an animal, like a duck? They have skin, yeah. Skin, okay, or what they call webbing, okay. And it's stretched between toes. Between toes. Allow feet to paddle. And I'm gonna write it right here. I'm running out of room. Do you mind if I just move it over so you can see? It's still in this section, okay? To paddle. All right. And then obviously the main idea of the section is that web feet help animals travel in water and air without using as much energy. Okay. If I have the sharp claws, on the sharp claws, it says the body part at end of your toe, like your fingernail, right? Okay. Have sharp points and it has many uses. Okay. What do you think the main idea the main idea of this section? What is the clause do what? Allison? Yes. Claws make animals faster and more what they call agile, flexible. They make it easier for them to move around. Now, we got the sharp claws. Now we're looking at whiskers. Okay, what are some details that we read? They are what?
They use their whiskers
go ahead.
They use their whiskers to navigate and to when something's dangerous around you.
Yes. So it's what they call, they detect danger with it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or they detect danger, okay, or locate the prey. They also they detect movement. Okay. And the whiskers, they're long what? It's this. Hair. It's long, thick hairs, okay, attached to nerves. I'm gonna move it over so you can, okay, so you can, okay, hairs, they're attached to nerves. All right. And we'll write it down there. Be correct, small. Attached to nerves. Okay. Now, the main idea. So the animals use the whiskers for what? Okay. Okay. What are they trying to do when they're detecting danger? They're trying to, move away. Okay. Protect themselves. Can you say that? Okay. Emily. Animals rely on whiskers for protection and survival. Okay. Oops, sorry. Come on. There. All right, then long beaks. What are they used for? Julian?
To crack open fruits and nuts.
Yes. To crack open fruits and nuts. And also used to catch fish. Okay. And then it's a bird's ability to eat depends on his beak. A bird's ability to eat. Depends on its beak. And then the long tails, okay, helps keep bodies what?
Steady.
Steady? Okay, what would be another word for steady? Balance, yes. Helps keep bodies balanced. And helps steer. You know, like when you're driving. Okay. And then the main idea for this section is that long tails have a variety of uses. They use them for some animals use their tail like an extra hand. All right, excellent.